Hello everyone. We are going to see the topic continuity and differentiability. In grade 11th, you must have seen some questions related to the limits. Limit x tends to a f of x, we are finding it. From the limits, by using our first principle of derivative, we have derived differentiation. So differentiation and the limits relation is f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. By using this result only, we have found out sin x differentiation and cos x differentiation and many of the trigonometric function differentiation and other algebraic function differentiation. Sin x differentiation is cos x and cos x differentiation is minus sin x, and also few important concepts like uv differentiation. uv differentiation is uv dash plus vu dash, and u by v differentiation is equal to v square vu dash minus uv dash. So by using this concept only, we are going to see the questions in the differentiation in grade 12th. Question: xy equal to a square. Here x and y are variables and a square is a constant. We need to find out dy by dx. This is the question. Since x and y are multiplied, we can use the product rule. So x plus y and x differentiation is 1 and y differentiation is dy by dx, and constant differentiation is 0. So finally you will be getting dy by dx equal to minus y by x. That's all. X equal to a into 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square, and y equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. You need to find out dy by dx for this question. Here, if you want to find out dy by dx, directly you cannot find out. Instead, x is represented in terms of t, y is represented in terms of t. T is another one variable, it's a parameter. So it's a parametric function. So in this process, we have to find out dy by dt first, then dx by dt. If you divide both, you will be getting dy by dx. So let me find out dy by dt first. So here y is 2t by 1 minus t square. So numerator one function, denominator another one, 1 minus t square. So it's like u by v method. So you have to use u by v method. dy by dx, dy by dt equal to denominator, it's square, that is v square, and v minus u. Now let me differentiate this and write it. 2t differentiation is 2 and 1 minus t square differentiation is minus 2t. Which is equal to denominator 1 minus t square the whole square, and numerator, if you multiply that, 2 minus 2t square plus 4t square. If you simplify, you will be getting 2 plus 2t square over 1 minus t square the whole square. In the numerator, 2 is common, so 1 plus t square over 1 minus t square the whole square. This is the value of dy by dt. If we find out dx by dt, similarly, dx by dt, same u by v method. A will be constant, so we are keeping as it is because it's been multiplied with t. And u by v method, so v square v and minus u and differentiation of this value. 1 plus t square differentiation is 2t because 1 is a constant, that is 0. T square, it's a x power n formula. X power n differentiation is n x power n minus 1. Here 1 minus t square differentiation is minus 2t, which is equal to a into denominator. We are not going to make any changes. And numerator, let me multiply 2t minus 2t cube and plus 2t plus 2t cube. Here minus 2t cube plus 2t cube will get cancelled. Now you are having 2t plus 2t become 4t into a means 4at over 1 minus t square the whole square. This is dx by dt value. Now you need to find out dy by dx. To find dy by dx, you need to divide it both. So let me divide and find out it. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt. You can take it as first equation and this is second equation. Now we are going to divide first by second equation. So 2 into 1 plus t square over 1 minus t square the whole square. Instead of dividing it, we can multiply by its reciprocal. Multiply by 1 minus t square the whole square over 480. So let me cancel out the common values. 2 and this can be cancelled, become 2, and this value and this value get cancelled. So finally you are having 1 plus t square over 280. This is your final answer. Let me try another one question. X tan inverse of x by square root of 1 minus x square should be differentiated with respect to sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. So here also it's in the parametric form. For example, if you take this is like m equal to tan inverse of x by square root of 1 minus x square and n as sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square, where m and n are function in terms of x. So you need to find out dm by dn. dm by dn, if you need it, means same like a previous question. In the previous question, they have provided x in terms of t, y in terms of t. So we have found out dy by dx by dividing the values after differentiating. Similarly, here dm by dn is dm by dx and dn by dx. This is what you need to find out. But here, what is another one complication is tan inverse, sine inverse is involved. When the inverse function is involved, if you are trying to use the chain rule, like tan inverse differentiation formula or sine inverse differentiation formula, it is going to be a little bit complicated and it is a time consuming process. So you have to use trigonometric transformation, that is tan inverse, it is outside of the parenthesis. So look at the parenthesis. Inside value we try to express in terms of tan. Similarly here, sine inverse, inside value you have to try to express in terms of sine. Then our work will get reduced a lot. So for this process, we have to assume x is equal to some value. So let me take x is equal to sine theta for our convenient, so that here also you will get in terms of tan, here also you will get in terms of sine. Then m become tan inverse of sine theta over square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Square root of 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but it is cos theta. So tan inverse of sine theta over cos theta. Sine by cos is tan theta. So tan inverse of tan theta, which is theta. This is the value of m in a simplified manner. And in terms of n also we will express in terms of theta. N is equal to sine inverse of 2 into sine theta square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Then you will be getting sine inverse of 2 sine theta cos theta, it is sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Here sine inverse of sine 2 theta is 2 theta, tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So again we have made m in terms of theta, n in terms of theta. Still it's in the parametric form. Here the parameter, instead of x, it's been changed to theta. Now if you are doing the same process, you will get the answer dm by d theta, because here the parameter is being changed to theta. That's why dm by dx is equivalent to dm by d theta. So you will be getting 1, and here dn by d theta, here you will be getting 2. So our final answer is 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 is our final answer.